throwing strikes. So I got up there. He wasn't throwing strikes, so he was throwing right here. I love that. That's the thing.
I hate that.
You do? Like right here? Oh! I can't hit him down here. I can, but I prefer him right here. I just...
Swing level. All the way through. There it is right there.
Over the fence, I just... God. Softballs, when you hit softballs, they don't go farther. Woo! These balls are flying like this because they're rubber a little bit.
Who's batting it?
Darren Jeter. Darren Jeter.
You win. Now let's go down. Go up.
So awesome.
Y'all pick from a picture.
You're done.